Picture this: a live wall on your website or up on a screen at your venue, pulling in everything happening around your event in real time. If you're running a conference, a launch, or a trade show, the social posts and press coverage are already out there. An event wall just brings it all into one place. It takes a few minutes to set up, there's no code involved, and once it's live, it just runs. Nothing to babysit during the event. Okay, step 1. Create a feed for each source you want pulling in. I'll walk through this using the World Cup as an example. First up, the official FIFA Instagram. That way the walls got posts and announcements straight from the organizers. All you do is grab the account URL, drop it into rss.apps generator, and hit generate. Now that feed updates automatically every time they post. I'll do the same thing with an X search for World Cup 2026 to catch the social buzz, and a Google News search to pull in press coverage. So now we've got 3 feeds: official updates, live social chatter, and outside coverage. Step 2. Combine it all into one bundle. Select the feeds you just made and give it a name. This is the part that actually turns scattered posts into a wall. RSS app takes every post, hashtag, and article and merges them into one stream, sorted chronologically. Whether someone posted 5 minutes ago or a journalist published an hour ago, it all shows up in one feed, newest first. One thing to do before moving on. Social searches pull in everything with that keyword, which means you'll also get spam or stuff that's just off-brand for your event. Before you go live, use the bundle's filters to exclude anything you don't want showing up. Block specific keywords or phrases, so what makes it onto the wall is actually relevant. Worth a quick scan of the feed first so you know what to filter out. Step 3. Make it visual. For an event wall, 3 layouts tend to work best. News wall is great for a venue screen. It reads like an actual live feed of activity. Carousel is a good pick too, since it rotates through posts on its own, so there's always something moving on screen without anyone touching it. And ticker works well if you want a subtle strip of updates running along your homepage. From there you can click Customize to tweak the number of columns, or match the fonts and colors to your event branding. Or just use the widget as is. Last step, get it live. Click Add to Website, and you'll get both embed codes and a direct URL. Quick note on which to use. If you're adding this to a website builder, you'll want the JavaScript embed for most cases. It's the one that keeps everything auto-updating smoothly. But some platforms block custom JavaScript, so if yours does, grab the iframe code instead and drop that into your event homepage or a live wall section. If you're working with digital signage like Yodec, skip both and just use the direct URL as a web page. And that's it. The wall keeps itself updated as new posts and coverage roll in. No manual updates needed once the event's underway. Go build your event wall at rss.app.